Malaysians, we can finally say selamat datang ke Apple Store pertama in Malaysia. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here and reporting to you live from the Exchange TRX, okay? So behind me has been revealed the mysterious building that we've all been talking about. It is actually Apple Store and it will be the officially first one in Malaysia, okay? But as you can see, it's a little bit weird because we can't see what's inside, and that's because if you notice on the side it says Apple the Exchange TRX opening 22nd June, okay? So don't get too excited because you can't enter yet, and it's only open for public on the 22nd June this year, okay? Just like any review videos, let's talk about the design. As you can see, on the side here, you get this signage, okay? And it's unmistakably Apple because everywhere you go when you see an Apple store, you get to see this black signage with the light up Apple logo, and there's not only one, but two. So I'm on this side where I'm facing the park. There's one here. There's also another one at the other side whereby when you come out from the Exchange TRX, you'll be able to see the other one as well. And on the side, you get to see two very big words, okay? It says Jom Malaysia. Wow, very localized, this Apple Store. And one more design aspect I want to show you is the roof. Can you see how thin the louver is? Okay, so this louver is actually a signature design of all Apple stores. So for example, if you go to Apple Park in Cupertino, you will get to see the exact same roof, okay? But on top of this roof, you get a few louvers, and I've actually counted, there are actually 13 levels of louvers, okay? So why do they have these kind of things? It's because they want to do like a transparent opening roof, but they also don't want the sunlight to go directly in. Hence, you can see the direction actually points down, okay? So if you're above, you are not able to see what's inside, but if you're down here, you get to see the glass roof. So as I said, Apple Store is finally opening its official store in Malaysia, and it's opening on the 22nd June at Exchange TRX, okay? Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Tell everyone, tell your family, come here, take picture. Very nice one, okay? And if you love videos like this, don't forget I have more from the Apple Store in Malaysia to show you, okay? Subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends, and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!